Hello, everyone. Warm welcome to my Investment Mastery series. And this is our episode 4. And we're today discussing sharing National Savings Certificate. So, this is our topic for today, National Savings Certificate. So, here I begin. So it's a very popular and safe small savings instrument. It helps you in tax saving, backed by the government of India, guaranteed returns, considered absolutely safe, available at post offices, and thanks to the distribution reach of the Indian Post, which is huge, because of which this is an extremely popular scheme. So the capital, like I said, is completely protected because the scheme is backed by the government of India. So whatever money anybody or you invest in this scheme is completely protected. So no risk. Number 2, if you talk about inflation, this is not completely inflation protected. So when I say inflation, I've often talked about inflation in my series here, that inflation is महंगाई. So there is an inflation rate. So the rate at which money's value, the purchasing power is reducing. That's analysts say that that's between 6 and 7%. So this scheme grows at 6.8% currently. So today only the returns were again revised and they remained unchanged, and they're 6.8%, and inflation is set to be around 6 to 7%. So it really doesn't fully protect you from inflation. But yeah, when the inflation rate goes down, then it can offer a positive real rate of return. So that's about the inflation protection. And the objective of this scheme is to generate tax-free, tax benefits. So I should say tax benefits. When I say tax benefits, what I mean is that the deduction that you take, so there can be a tax-free deduction that can be taken on the money that you invest in the scheme, and guaranteed rate of return, like I said, and the tenure of this scheme is 5 years. And this could actually also help you generate a monthly income stream. So for all of you guys, you could be homemakers, you could be retiring, or you could be working and wanting to generate an alternate source of income. So this is a scheme that can actually help you do that. So yeah, if you don't know about this, I'm sure a lot of people don't know about this. So there is a way to generate monthly income from this scheme. Eligibility is that you got to be a resident Indian, so you got to be residing in India to be buying a national savings certificate. There's no entry age. Anybody can buy a national savings certificate. Minimum investment required in this scheme is 1,000 rupees. That's the minimum investment you can make. So, sometimes there are so many myths that we operate from. We think, I need a lot of money to generate money. Or, it's said that, I cannot invest with small amounts of money. So why I'm talking about this minimum investment is because you can begin right now with even 1,000 rupees in your pocket. And this could actually help you generate more money and also generate an income. It's just that you got to get on this path and build your understanding of it. 6.8% is the compounded annual interest, and like I said, it's remained unchanged. So even quarter 1 it was 6.1%, and quarter 2, so quarter 1 is April, May, June, and quarter 2 is July, August, September. So for the next quarter it will remain the same. and if you invest in this quarter, then you will generate 6.8%, no matter if the interest rates go down or up. Mostly they go down. So you would not lose if the interest rates go down. Tenure, like I said, is 5 years. You could open an individual account, a joint account, or if there is a minor, your child wants to open an account, then it could be a minor account through the guardian. Nomination facility is also available, which means you can name the nominee. And guaranteed rate of return, which is 6.8%, 5-year option. The money keeps compounding. So even on the interest, the money, so even on your interest, you receive an interest. That's how it is. Earlier, there used to be a 10-year scheme as well, which has been now discontinued. So ever since financial year 2016-17, the interest rates on national savings certificates are revised every quarter, and they're revised as per the prevailing government bond rates. So that's how it is. And like I said, once you've invested in the NSC, whatever rate applicable, you will get that for the next 5 years. Liquidity in the national savings certificate is available as loans. So you can borrow money against the money that you save in NSC. So you can pledge your national savings certificates and to obtain loans. And how much loan you get, at what rate of interest, will all depend on the institution that is lending to you. And the investment is locked. So it cannot be that just to liquidate you can exit at any point. That's not possible. So for 5 years you're stuck with this scheme. Premature encashment is available only in case there is a death of the certificate holder. So that's how it is, and it is transferable. So you can transfer it from one post office into another. That's how it happens. And the tax deductions are available under section 80C of the Income Tax Act. So under section 80C, guys, you can take a deduction of 1,50,000 rupees per year. So that's the limit which is in a financial year, and whatever interest that you accrue on your certificates, you got to declare it in your income tax statement, and they could also be included in the 1.5 lakh tax deduction that you take. So that's how it is about tax. And interest rate which you generate on your national savings certificate 6 monthly, they will keep getting reinvested automatically. So and the tax is not deducted at source. So the entire interest that you receive is not taxed at source. So you'll have to declare it in your statement, and that's how you will get a deduction. Okay. So ATC deduction, you will even mention that this is the interest that you've received, and it will be then tax free. Otherwise, when you receive the interest on maturity after 5 years, then you will be paying the tax in case you've not taken the deduction. And where you can buy these certificates, you can buy it at any post office, head post office, general post office, anywhere you can buy it from. And how you can buy it, so you need to fill the National Savings Certificate application form, which is available at the post office. So number 1, that's what you fill. Number 2, you carry your original ID proofs for verification. Number 3, you will buy the certificate, so you can buy it with cash, check, demand drafts drawn in favor of the postmaster at the post office where the NSC is being bought, and you will choose a nominee. So these are the 4 things you need to take care of when you are buying. So a lot of homemakers reach out to us and say, okay, I have this little cash, can I, which I've saved from my household savings, household expenditure, can I invest this somewhere? So this is one place where you could invest. that little amount that you have. Before I give a little more information, let's see who all are acknowledging. Okay, Rakhi, Manjula, Namika, Shilpi, Prachi, Neelu, Ridhima, Shriya, Nisha, Bindu, Bina, Brahmara, Jyoti, Ridhima, Meenu, Prachi. Yes, guys, thank you. Ridhima is saying 1,000 rupees a month. One-time investment. Yeah, one-time investment. So you invest in one go. It's invested for 5 years. How does one generate income from National Savings Certificate? That's coming. So keep watching, because we are going to shortly talk about a strategy. Yes, and you can open an account in the post office. Okay, so I can see that some monthly income, the interest has gotten built, that okay, there is a strategy, right? Sometimes we don't even know that we can generate a passive income and investment income by using these strategies. Okay guys, so we'll come to that. Let's now move forward. And before I move forward, if you're getting value from this video, please click on that share button and share it with women in your life, people in your life, because it's only you who are the torch bearers of this mission. And like you already know, Women on Wealth is all about helping women take charge of their finances. So please support in this mission. We support you. I don't ask it back. It's not a transaction. Even if you don't share, we will add value no matter what, because we are standing up for this mission of helping women take charge of their finances. However, if you come along and share, it will support us in reaching our mission of having 50 lakh financially educated women. So go for it. Do share. Just click on that share button. That is what it needs. Moving on that note. So National Savings Certificates are encashable, any post office that can be done on, and yeah, like I said, transferable across post offices. In case you lose or damage your National Savings Certificate, so the certificate that you receive, in case you lose it, in case there is a damage, then duplicate certificates can be obtained. On furnishing, you have to just furnish a bond in a format that the post office gives you, and you can then obtain a duplicate certificate. That's how it is. So certificates are transferable to anyone. Before maturity, you can actually give it to anyone, and one can give a power of attorney to another person for purchase or payment of them. So that's how it is. And now coming to the strategy. So for all of you who are not in our Women on Wealth training programs, and you've not joined us right now, you're not a part of our paid programs, paid community, so do make sure that you fill in the link which is with this video. Sheetal, in case you're listening, Sheetal Hira, there is a link on to our Women on Wealth website. Just put that link here, and let me see if I can do that. Okay, I have managed to do that. So all of you who are not a part of our programs, do make sure you fill in this link so that we can provide you an Excel sheet that we've created to use this strategy. So this monthly income strategy that I'm shortly coming to, you'll receive an Excel sheet. If you are our graduate, then you can just WhatsApp me and I'll send you the sheet. And if you're not a graduate of our work, you've not yet joined the paid program, you can just fill in this form and we'll be happy to support you with this Excel sheet. So coming to the strategy now. So the assured return on this National Savings Certificate can be used to create an income, and this could be a monthly income that you could create. So certificates can be bought every month or every quarter of appropriate denominations. So whatever income you want to create, invest that month on month or quarter on quarter. And on maturity, it will become an income stream. So for instance, say you begin investing now. Okay, it's July 2020, and say you begin investing 5,000 rupees a month. So what happens is, by July 2025, you will begin to generate an income from this investment, and a fixed sum will come to you every month from July 2020. And some people, actually my own parents, I've seen them creating wealth with this one instrument. So this wisdom to me comes from my parents, and I really acknowledge them for this support that I have, because I've grown up seeing this investment really used well by them. So I've actually seen people, I know people who've actually created an income over 10-15 years, and they've created an income that comes to them month on month through the National Savings Certificate. So here is how it functions. Say you invest 5,000 rupees in July 2020, then in July 2025 you receive approximately 7,000 rupees. And then you invest again 5,000 rupees in May 2020, July के बाद August. So August 2020 you will say invest another 5,000, and you will receive about 7,000 rupees in 2025 August. So that's how it functions. So month on month you keep doing that, and month on month, 5 years from now, you start generating an income. You start generating returns on your investment. And if you build this discipline in, the income will begin to float. So I've created an Excel sheet for the calculation. So the calculation, how it helps you, like how much money you would need, say 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and then you can back calculate how much you would need to invest today to get that income, given 6.8% is the return. So this Excel sheet could be an eye opener for all of you. So all of you who said that, okay, passive income is my goal, building an investment income is my goal, multiplying my money is my goal, generating guaranteed rates of return is my goal, you could actually consider this investment. So go for it, guys, and fill this form that I sent right here in the chat, and just rock. Let me actually see if we have any more questions, though this is a very, very simple subject is what I know, but still, let's see. Ridhima, yes, if you invest 5,000 in August and then another 5,000 in September, then you will get a tax benefit of 10,000. So up to 1.5 lakh tax benefit you can take under 80C, and it's the total amount that you invest over this financial year. That's how it will be. Yeah, Manjula, 4,000 per month is good. Of course, Pooja. So the returns on mutual funds are higher because then you are generating returns, right? You're actually investing in equity mutual funds. So if you're investing in stocks, if you are in equity mutual funds, and there of course the returns will be higher in the long run. In the short run, the returns may not be higher because equity is done for long-term investing, while these guaranteed rates of return, these are for short-term investments, I would say. No, Rekha, you don't have to invest every year for 5 years. You invest it once and then that's logged for 5 years. That's how it functions, Rekha. Manjula, I've already shared how it generates an income. Yes, Bindu, only after maturity, and month on month you can actually schedule how the maturity happens. One-time investment, absolutely. Okay, Manjula is asking, does one inform the post office that one needs the income post 5 years? No, you don't have to inform them. The certificates will mature, you'll go there and you will receive your money with the interest. It doesn't come back automatically. You got to go, surrender your certificates, and then you receive the money. The form, Harleen, you will get in the post office. So you need to go there and ask them for the application form. It is practically for people above 60. No, Nilu. This is not for above 60. Much before 60, we will all begin to plan our retirement. And the retirement planning begins actually young. So yes, this could be an instrument used for retirement planning, because you would need a month-on-month income in retirement. So you could begin now. It's not to be, because then you're blocked for 5 years. However, at 60, you need various sources from where you're receiving monthly income. So you'll not wait for being 60 to actually start investing in NSE. That's not how it functions. Manjula, thanks for acknowledging. We have a choice of investing anytime. We do not have to follow monthly, quarterly. Yes, Ridhima. Absolutely. You can invest at any point that you want. There is no compulsion. You can choose. However, if you want to generate an income on a monthly or a quarterly basis, then it's good to invest monthly or quarterly. Okay, so yeah, Harleen, thanks Saloni for sending the link here. Yes, Harleen, you can click on this link and in the comments type in the form, okay, in this link, click that, okay, you're looking for the Excel sheet, and I'll be happy to send it across. Yes, Rekha, you can open as many national savings certificates. You can apply as many times you want. Like I said, month on month, you can keep applying and generating income. Thank you guys. That was really engaging. You guys kept asking questions. That informs me that you listened through and took value. If you really took value, you got the strategy, you got something that moved you forward, I invite you to share this video. Please go ahead, share and support in women taking charge of their finances. That's what we are all about. Do make sure you watch us again. You catch us live on this page on Thursday at 5 p.m. Every Thursday, we intend to bring one investment that could help you master this art and help you reach your financial goals. Take charge, guys. Stay safe. See you around.